Hey, what up YouTubers, it's your boy Altered Tech, and back again with a new video, and this is the live wallpaper for the OnePlus 7T. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to get the official static wallpapers and the official live wallpapers for your OnePlus device. So let's go ahead and get to it real quick. Now I'll post a link in the description for this. So number one, I want you guys to go to this XDA link, and for this link, it's going to have two links, one for the live wallpapers and one for the static wallpapers, as you guys see over here. So for the static wallpapers, basically tap on this link and it's going to take you to the guy who actually created these wallpapers. His name is Hampus Olsen. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Now this guy has made the official OnePlus wallpapers for the last couple years and he's done a great job. Now be sure to go ahead and check him out. So if you guys want to download these wallpapers, and once you reach this page, go ahead, hold on like so, and tap on download image. Okay, first things first, I want you guys to go ahead and tap and hold on, and this menu should pop up. Tap on wallpapers and tap on my photos. So make sure you're looking into your downloads folder. If you're not into that folder, tap on these three lines over here and tap on downloads. Now you should be able to see the photo you just downloaded. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on set wallpaper like so, and you should be done. Let's go ahead and back out. And there you have it. You have the static OnePlus 7T wallpaper. Looks pretty nice. And let's go ahead and check out the live wallpaper. Now for the live wallpaper, it's going to require some extra work, but it's not too hard. It's actually pretty easy. I want you guys to go back to the XDA site. I will post a link in the description, like I said before. And scroll down until you see where it says, download the OnePlus 7T live wallpaper. Go ahead and tap on it. It's going to say, click here to start your download. Don't pay attention to any of these things. These are actually ads. So click on this. And once you reach to this point, I want you guys to go ahead and tap on the primary download. If that doesn't work, there are some alternative download sites as well. So go ahead and tap on this and your file should begin the download process. And once the file has finally downloaded, I want you guys to open up that file. And if you don't know where that is, go ahead to your file manager and click on downloads. And as you guys see over here, OnePlus 7T OP Wallpaper Resources XDA APK. Go ahead and tap on it, and it's going to ask you to install it. I already have it installed. Now I should warn you guys about this. Once you install these new live wallpapers, your older live wallpapers are going to disappear. So let's go ahead and tap on wallpapers one more time. And as you guys can see, these are the new OnePlus 7T live wallpapers. You have about 4 to choose from, and they all look pretty good. And you do have these static versions as well. So let's go ahead and test out this one. And here you have it. Let's go ahead and check out that animation. So this is a lock screen. You're going to get this nice smooth animation, and once you unlock it, you're going to get this spiral animation as well. So let's go ahead. I might as well give you guys a full tour of all of them. So this is the second live wallpaper. Let's go ahead and see that lock screen animation. Looking pretty nice. And let's unlock it. Sweet. Now let's go ahead and check out wallpaper number 3. Now this one looks pretty nice. You do have like a nice, it reminds me of the Bahamas. So for the lock screen, you do have this nice slow animation, and once you unlock it, nice. Kind of reminds me of the Android. Now this kind of reminds me of one of those. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the final live wallpaper. And this one's actually pretty cool as well. Now there's an Indian holiday, I believe it's called Holi, where they actually throw powder and whatnot, colored powder. This kind of reminds me of that. So let's go ahead and check out that lock screen animation. It's looking pretty good. And let's unlock it. Nice. So you do have 4 to choose from. And like I said, you will lose your previous live wallpapers from the OnePlus 7 Pro. I have yet to find a fix on that. So there you have it. These are your live and static wallpapers for the OnePlus 7T. If you have any questions or comments, please hit me up down below. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. And please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more OnePlus coverage. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace.